Now I will solve this question by second method, that is with the help of formulas of mathematical reasoning only. For this, first I will simplify this portion. This can be written as negation P or negation Q or negation P and Q. To simplify it further, either I can proceed in this way, that I take this statement as R, this as S and this as T, that is the whole, I take it as R. Or otherwise I take this as alpha statement, this as beta statement and this whole as gamma statement, because I want my solutions to be crystal clear, and to make you conceptually strong, I will proceed further by both the methods and will simplify this. If I take this whole as R, this as S and this as T, I will be using the formula of R or S and T. And to solve it, you must be knowing that you will have to use the distributive law, which is R or S and R or T. And using this law, this is equal to negation P or negation Q or negation P and negation P or negation Q or Q. And this thing can be written as negation Q or negation P or negation P, because I have written in reverse order and used associative law. And using associative law here also, negation P or negation Q or Q. This is equivalent to, you must be knowing that this is a tautology. Tautology or with any statement gives tautology, and this whole becomes tautology. And tautology and with any statement gives same, that is this becomes negation Q or negation B. These two are same. Hence, I conclude that this has reduced to negation P or negation Q. And now this whole statement becomes negation P or negation Q implies negation P and negation Q. And I had told you that I will be simplifying this by second method also, in which I will be taking this as one statement, this as one statement, and this whole as third statement. That is, I will be using the formula of alpha or beta or gamma. And here we use the associative law, that is alpha or beta or gamma. That is, by using this rule, I get negation P or negation Q or negation P and Q. This is equal to negation P or, and here I will be using the distributive law, and which says that this is equivalent to negation Q or negation P and negation Q or Q. This is equal to negation P or, and because this is clearly a tautology, and tautology and any statement gives the same statement, that is I get negation Q or negation P. This is equal to negation P or negation P or negation Q. That is equal to negation P or negation P or negation Q, and this is equal to negation P or negation Q. As in previous case also I had came to this conclusion, that is finally I had reached this statement here implies this statement here, and this is same as negation of P and Q implies negation P and negation Q, and using the formula that R implies S is same as negation R or S, this is equal to P and Q, because negation of this is this, or negation P and negation Q. Agreed, this is lengthy, that is why I was saying that the way of set theory was much more simple. And to simplify it further, I can proceed by two ways. Either I can proceed in this way, take this as R, this as two different S and T, or I take this as one and these two as two different. Both the methods will give you same answer. If I take this whole as R, this as S and this as T, then I'll have to use the formula of R or S and T, which is equivalent to R or S and R or T. You must be knowing it. Hence, this is equivalent to P and Q or negation P and P and Q or negation Q, and this is equivalent to P or negation P and Q or negation P, and this means P or negation Q and Q or negation Q. And you must be knowing that this is tautology. Tautology and any statement gives the same statement, that is Q or negation P, and it is tautology, and tautology and any statement gives the same statement, that is therefore you get P or negation Q. Hence I can say first choice is the correct choice.